inheritance and variation. Today we discuss about sex determination. What is sex determination here? The specification of sex. The specification of sex, whether it is male or female, is called sex determination. That means in actual, chromosomes determine the sex of the particular individual here. That particular individual is whether it is male or female. हे कशावरून ठरतं? तर क्रोमोसोम वरून ठरतं. त्यालाच सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन असं म्हणतात. What is sex determination? Which is chromosomes is actual determine the particular individual is male or the particular individual is female is called sex determination. Or another definition here, the specification of sex, it is male or female, is called sex determination. Here sex determination, माणूस हा किंवा व्यक्ती किंवा individual, that is individual whether it is male or it is female, that is called sex determination here. In sex determination, or that which is the bisexual, the individual which is some individual or some species are the bisexual and some species are the unisexual here. In that, bisexual means here that is also called monoecious. Here two sex organs are present in one organism. Two sex organs which are present in same organism is called here bisexual, or it is called monoecious, or it is also called hermaphrodite here. Bisexual, that is two organism, whether we giving here the example of the flower, that male and female sex organ, that is the androecium and gynoecium, which are present on one flower, that concept is called the bisexual, or it is also called the monoecious here. And unisexual, that male and female sex organ present on the different individual, that is only male sex organ present in one organism and female sex organ present in another organism. Here only one sex organ present in an individual is called unisexual. Only one sex organ is present in an organism. Only one sex organ which is present in one organism is called unisexual, or it is also called dioecious here. That means human being is one of the example of the unisexual organism. Human being, whether it is male, only one sex organ present, and which is female, that means the male and female are the separate here, that is the unisexual, or it is also called dioecious here. Then that term which is the sex determined term, this concept which giving put forth by the Henking. First, Henking is the German biologist. The Henking, the concept of sex determination which put forth in 1891. The Henking, and he studied in insect. What he studied? He studied in insect, or he studied the spermatogenesis. He studied on the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means after some stages there are sperms are formed. That means the spermatogenesis means the formation of sperm. Formation of sperm. This concept, or he studied in spermatogenesis. He studied in insect. He used his experiment insect, and that insect that is called a squash bug, or it is also called Anaxa tristis. receives only half of chromosomes here and another 50% did not receive here. That means the spermatogenesis, that means the formation of sperms, and sperms is concept to the related of the male here. Male. That sperm which is the concept which is related to the male, and male insect has what he saw, that male insect has only 50% of chromosomes, that means XO. Here 50% of sperm having or 50% of sperm received unpaired chromosomes here. That means male having this type of, show the phenotype here XO. There here 0 here. O means here in the sense of 0. That means only X show, that is the 50%. The unpaired chromosomes here, that is only X here. That's why, and Hanking giving that name, that is X body. Hanking giving the name that X, which is the X body, or the 50% of unpaired chromosomes, giving that name of the X body. Now that X body, now we call that X body which is the X chromosome. But the Hanking giving name that the unpaired chromosomes, that is the X body, now we call, because of after Hanking, many scientists studied on that concept of the sex determination, and then X body which is called that the X chromosomes here. Who found that the X body concept here? The Hanking, which giving name, that is the X body. Then we study the sex determination in human being. Here the sex determination in human being, here there are two types of sex determination, that is the XX and XY, that is female and male here. That means here sex determination in human being, that are two types, that is female and the male, and female show the XX chromosomes and male show the XY chromosomes here. In that each somatic cell there are nucleus is present, and in that nucleus there are 44 chromosomes are present, each somatic cell here. In nucleus, somatic cellच्या nucleus मध्ये 46 chromosomes असतात, and in that 46 chromosomes there are 23 pairs. 23 pairs chromosomes, 46 chromosomes here. Somatic cell, in each somatic cell in nucleus 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes here. The gamete formation of male, or gamete formation in male here, there are diploid germ cell of male. Diploid, that is diploid germ cell here, male, which undergoes spermatogenesis. In male, how for the sperm, that By mistaking here, I say here the pair of autosomes here, not pair of autosomes here. Only autosomes, 20 autosomes plus X chromosomes, which is present in 50% of sperms, and 22 autosomes plus Y chromosomes present in 50% of sperm. That means this sperms which present X chromosomes and this sperm 50% sperms which present Y chromosomes here. Then the gamete formation in female here. The gamete formation in female, the diploid germ cells which undergo oogenesis here, that is the formation of egg. In male, formation of sperm. In female, formation of egg. In female, but one type of gametes are produced. That means egg are produced. That means same type of gametes are produced. Only eggs are produced. And that eggs which is present 22 autosome plus X chromosomes. That means same egg are present 22 autosomes and X chromosomes. This is the egg, or this is the female gamete here. This is the gametogenesis here. The gamete formation in male, that is the spermatogenesis. Gamete formation in female, that is the oogenesis. In that gametes are produced. In male, male gametes are produced. In female, female gametes are produced. Because of gamete formation here, male are heterogametic. Heterogametic means that two types of sperms are produced. In 50% sperms, 22 autosomes plus X, and 50% sperms, 22 autosome plus Y here. That is the hetero. निम्मे जे आहेत 50% जे आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये X chromosomes असतात आणि निम्म्या sperm मध्ये Y chromosomes असतात. That means it is called a hetero. Different gametes, that is X and Y. That is the heterogametic. Two types of gametes are produced here. That is the heterogametic. But male is the homogametic. That all gametes are produced the same type, or egg are produced the same type here. That means 22 autosomes and X chromosome. That means all types of gametes are same types of egg are produced here. That is the female is homogametic here. Female is homogametic. The sex of child which is depend on the sex of child which is depend on which type of sperm which fertilize with egg. The sex of child. Sex of child depend on sex of child depend on which type of sperm fuse with which type of sperm fuse with egg. Whether this sperms fuse with egg, that means sperms which having X chromosomes which fuse with egg, that means 22 autosomes plus X chromosomes here fuse with here egg, that is 22 autosomes plus X chromosomes. This is the egg and this is one of the gamete of the male gamete here. When this fusion here 22 pairs of autosomes and here one X chromosomes from male and one X chromosome from female, that means XX. The child is female child here. The child is female. And when the type of sperms, that sperms which present Y chromosomes which fuse with egg here, that female child, that will be male. chromosomes, that is male. Here. That's why the sex of child